How to program a Verizon Fios remote to your TV. So one way you can do it is to make sure your TV and remote is both on, and you're gonna navigate yourself to the menu option of your remote. So usually in these kinds of remotes, it's gonna be found over here, but just look for a button that says menu. This should pop out on your screen or on your TV, something similar to this at least. And you're going to go ahead into customer support over here. So in customer support, go ahead into your My dashboard and something like this will appear again. And you're going to go ahead into your TV support. So inside TV support, you'll see a few more options, but you're going to focus on the setup my remote control. But you're just going to go ahead and choose a new TV brand. So select a new TV brand. If it's already available as one of the options here, just go ahead and choose this or choose that option. Like you have a Sony TV, choose a Sony TV, of course. But if you want, you can press on the see more options. It will bring out a sort of keyboard where you're going to have to type in your TV brand. But let's say you choose a Toshiba kind of brand TV. This will appear like this. You're going to have to follow the prompt that shows up on your screen, and you should be able to set it up on your new TV. But that's pretty much one way you can set up your Verizon Fios remote to your TV. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.